Okay, so for this question, the tricky part is this 1 over x here. Right, so you're given the PDF of x and you're asked to find the PDF of y. So we're doing the same thing. We do PDF of x, change that to the CDF of x, and then change that to CDF of y, and then change that to PDF of y. Okay, so let's do fx first. Let's see. So we have, feel free to skip ahead because this is the same thing that you've been doing. That is integrate from 1 to x, 8 over 3t cubed dt. And let's see, work that out. What do we get? You get negative 8 over 6t squared. And then the limit is 1 to x. Substitute x in, we get negative 4 over 3x squared plus 4 over 3. Right, so we have 4 over 3, 1 minus 1 over x squared. So this is my fx, but I should try to define it fully. So let me just move this here a bit. Move that here. And then I'm going to say it's this is defined from 1 to 2, and it's going to be 0 when x is less than 1, 1 when x is greater than 2. Okay, so this is done. Next we have to work this out. Okay, so let's see, we have gy is going to be py less than or equals to small y, and we know what y is. Y is in fact 1 over x. And then we're going to change that to x, which is 1 over y. But then this sign here should change. So whenever you do the reciprocal of an inequality, you should flip the sign. So think about this. Think about why you have to flip it. Okay, so this is actually 1 minus p x less than or equals to 1 over y. Okay, and then we can write this as f1 of y. This is the same thing as this guy right here. So let me just put a bracket here. So it's 4 over 3, 1 minus 1 over y squared. So simplifying this, we get 1 minus 4 over 3 minus plus. So we have 4 over 3 y squared. So this is going to give me 4 over 3 y squared minus 1 over 3. So remember to fully define this. So gy, and just move this equal sign a bit closer. So this guy is actually 1 to, let's see, 1 over y here, and then 2 here. Right, so this you can actually rewrite it as y greater than or equals to 1 greater than or equals to 1 over 2. But conventionally, we put the smaller number on the left side, so we can actually rewrite this like so. 1 over 2 here, y here, 1 over there. Hey, and done. Okay, so next up we have 0 when y is less than half, and 1 when y is greater than 1. So it's now fully defined. So the last thing we're going to do is differentiate this to get our PDF for y. So we do gy is equals to d dy 4 over 3 y squared minus 1 over 3. So differentiating the boy is going to give me 8 over 3 y. Make sure to fully define it. I'm running out of space. I'm just going to move down a little. So this is going to be for 1 over 2 to 1, and it's going to be 0 otherwise. And we are done.